This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kathy Morrison. Location. This rare gem set in the sought-after uptown area is just a 5-minute walk to the light rail and 2.5 miles from Heart of NODA. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2-full-bath ranch home has an open floor plan, cathedral ceilings, floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace to name a few. Homes around this area are in the $650,000 and up range. Professional pictures will be up Thursday afternoon. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Morrison at 704-778-9549.